came around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, do you think Ram Lalla will do this investigation? Can you actually now give some confidence to the people that the government is going to get to the bottom of this and fix accountability?
Actually, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ji has already given full confidence, and he has made firm commitment and assurance to the people that those who are involved in this act will not be spared. The reason being, this is not just an issue of any theft or burglary or mismanagement, misappropriation, corruption. This is an issue which is related to the sentiment of crores of Hindus. And as a Ram Bhakt Kar Sevak, I myself is deeply moved by this, because as a young boy, I have been there in April 1987 when there was a Ram Mandir Nirman Sankalp rally in Ayodhya, and on 9th November 1989 I have performed Ram Shila Pujan in my hostel, which I have already posted. So there are lakhs of Kar Sevaks who were there associated with this movement. Definitely they are feeling a very hurt moment. But the government is having firm conviction that everybody who is found involved will not be spared, and government is moving firmly. On the legal position is that if any act, normally the law says that if there is an issue related to a trust, in that case the trust should first take the action, then the government come in the scenario. But in this case, government had set aside those powers of the trust and directly constituted an SIT. Then the next question arises, why the actions and arrest has not been taken place. So in this ultra sensitive matter, arrest and names should be given or mentioned only after at least some prima facie evidence. Because we should not be this type of, you can say, a very flimsy type of thing. You just name 50 people and in the first instance 40 get out, because there was no substantive evidence. And even the final report of SIT has not come. Just on the basis of preliminary reports, some preliminary actions have been taken. Then the third question, Navika ji, you have said about what about the big fish. I would like to say it's not the question of big fish. There can be a big whale. There can be a fishing net. There can be a very huge network which may be connected from the trust to the banks and others. That's why SIT has started taking into cognizance and inquiry and investigation with the 7 banks also. So government is having firm opinion that everybody should be taken into account and should not be spared. But on the same point, whatever step we should take cautiously based on the concrete proof, so that any charges which are framed should not get set aside even at the level of the Supreme Court, so that it should be a firm action taken. But one more thing I would like to say, Navika ji, there is a political aspect also. In politics, what is being said is important, but more important is who is saying this. I would like to remind, these are the people who used to say that Ayodhya was not here, who used to say Ram हुए ही नहीं, जो ये कहते थे कि अयोध्या थी ये पहले साबित करो, जो ये कहते थे राजा दशरथ के तो इतने सारे कमरे थे मणिशंकर, ये यहां हुए थे कि नहीं. और वो सोचिए, जो ये कहते थे इरेडिकेशन ऑफ सनातन धर्म कॉन्फ्रेंस करते हैं, जो कहते थे हिंदू HIV है, वायरस है, और PWD मिनिस्टर कर्नाटक के कहते हैं हिंदू शब्द गंदा है, जो रामचरितमानस की चौपाइयां फाड़ते थे, जो कार सेवकों को. आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क योर कैमरामैन टू फोकस ऑन दिस. This is a newspaper. I am not mentioning anything on my own. This is a newspaper of 3rd November 1990. What does it say? कि अयोध्या में घेर कर घंटों फायरिंग, 200 मारे गए. And those who cherish the killing of 200 car sevaks. This is a Aaj newspaper of 3rd November 1990. And those people are saying that they are very much concerned about it. It's like General Dyer is saying that he's concerned about the Freedom Fighters Fund and whether it is being used properly in the welfare or not. So for that, Yogi ji has appropriately used the word Kalnemi. But I would like to say
all right.
that